The AirPods Pro 3, released in March 2025, offer USB-C charging, enhanced spatial audio, and improved active noise cancellation. First, ensure your iPhone runs iOS 18 or later and has Bluetooth enabled. Open the AirPods Pro 3 charging case near your iPhone. An animation will appear on your screen. Follow the prompts to pair. If signed into iCloud, pairing is automatic. Optimize fit via Settings, Bluetooth, AirPods Pro 3. Run the ear tip fit test. Enable Hey Siri and spatial audio in Control Center. The AirPods Pro 3 use gesture-based controls for easy operation. Tap once to play or pause audio. Double tap to skip to the next track. Triple tap to go back to the previous track. Squeeze the stem of either earbud to switch between active noise cancellation, which blocks external noise for focused listening, and transparency mode, which lets ambient sounds through for awareness. Use the Find My app on your iPhone to locate misplaced AirPods Pro 3. The app shows their last known location on a map. Monitor battery life through the Batteries widget on your iPhone. It displays levels for both earbuds and the charging case. To reset, place both earbuds in the charging case and hold them there until the status light flashes white. This clears any pairing issues. If experiencing connectivity problems, go to Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, forget the AirPods Pro 3, and pair them again.